Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. So yesterday was Sunday, so I made my way over to CVS. What I did is I printed my CRTs before I went to church, and when we got back from church, I kind of organized my process, my CRTs, and then I went and did my couponing during nap time, so I didn't have any kids with me. My husband was home, so I was able to go to CVS, and I literally spent probably an hour there doing all of my couponing. It was so funny because my manager, Carrie, she had went on a lunch break. And then when I was being rung up by one of the other managers, Amy, she was like, "Wow, Gina, you did this pretty fast today." And I was like, "Oh no, I've been here through Carrie's full lunch, so I've been here a while." So what I do with my transactions, if I'm doing multiple transactions, I did 1, 2, 3, 4 different transactions, lots of coupons. What I do is I'll do one transaction and then I'll move to the side. Even if there's no one in line, I will move myself to like a closed register, and then I will regroup, recalculate, and to get myself ready for my next transaction. So I'm gonna walk you guys through step by step, show you guys my receipts, show you guys the numbers, show you the totals, and then just move transaction to transaction. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and let's just get into it. So my first transaction, I did some cosmetic deals. So the paparazzi nail polishes, these are buy 2 and you get a $4 extra care buck. So they're 2 for $5. And then I also had $1 off any paparazzi nail CRT. So after the extra care buck and CRT, it made these free. So I was really pleased with that. So then the next thing I did was the Covergirl brow pencils. So the Covergirl brow pencils are $4.99 each. So I bought 2 of them for $9.98. I had the $3 instant coupon from last week and then a $2 coupon printed this week. So I was able to take a total of $5 off. So that made these $4.98, and then the $5 extra care buck prints when you buy 2 Covergirl. So that made these a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and did more Almay. So I had a $5 CRT for Almay from last week. So I went ahead and used it here, and I had a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT, if you see that right here. And I also had a 5 off 15 Almay CRT and a $5 off 1 Almay CRT. So that's what I had. So I picked up the Almay thickening mascara. I want to go ahead and give this a try because I haven't tried it. And then I went ahead and picked up another one of these foil cream eyeshadows because now I'm starting to build a collection for my best friend. So I'm going to give that to her for Christmas. I have every color in these and I 100% love these. So my first transaction, I ended up paying $12.96, and then with tax it was $15.13, but then I earned back $4. Then I earned back $4 for the Almay because Almay is spend 12, get 4, and then I earned $5. So that was a really good transaction for me. Okay, so then the next deal I did was an unadvertised deal, and it's on the Nexus. So Nexus is on a spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So what I did is I picked up the Blonde Assure color toning shampoo. I have never tried this before, so I went ahead and picked it up. It was priced for $13.99. And then I picked up 2 of these Nexus leave-in like hair masks. So these are priced for $3.69. I picked up 2 of them. I gave one to my mother-in-law. And then I had a 4 off 18 CRT for Haircare. So then I also paid with the extra care bucks that I earned in transaction number 1. So I used my $4 extra care buck from the paparazzi, my $4 from the Almay, and my $5 for the Covergirl. So I ended up paying $5.41, but then I earned a $10 extra care buck back, which then I rolled into my next transaction. So my next transaction was a mix match of different things. So I had a CRT to take $2 off of a CVS Health baby wipe, but they were also buy 1, get 1 50%. So I bought one of the wipes for $3.29. And then they had this one, which I thought was really cool. It's Cupholder Wipes. So these were $1.19, but it rang up buy 1, get 1 50. And then I also had a $2 CRT for flushable cleansing wipes, like feminine wipes. So I picked these up. These were priced for $3.49, and I had that $2 CRT. And then I also picked up an extra gum because I didn't want to waste my extra care bucks. So I used the $2 CRT for the CVS baby wipes. I used the $2 CRT for the feminine care, and then I used a $5 extra care buck that I still had from last week. So I ended up paying 53 cents for everything right here. Okay, so then I wanted to go ahead and take advantage of the L'Oreal hair care deal as well, because I thought that it was a good deal for this brand of hair care. So what I did is I picked up 4 of the L'Oreals. So they are priced 2 for $8. So I picked 4 of them up for $16. And then I had a CRT for hair care. I had a 4 off 18 CRT. So I needed to pick up something else to get me to that 18 threshold. So I picked up one of these Pantene hair masks. So these are priced for $2.99. So what I used, I had a $3 beauty buck, and then I also had a $10 extra care buck that I earned from the Nexus. So what I did is I used that $10 extra care buck, the $4 hair care CRT, and then my $3 beauty buck. So I ended up paying $3.15 after tax, but then I earned back the $5 extra care buck for the L'Oreal hair care. This is everything that I picked up over at my CVS. I still have some more deals that I'm probably gonna end up doing. But yeah, I thought I had a really good CVS trip this time around. I did a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 transactions. Anytime I am in CVS and I do multiple transactions, what I like to do is I like to do one transaction and then I go to the side and regroup, recalculate, and get myself ready for my next transaction. So I try to go to CVS when I know that I have plenty of time without my kids. I know some of you guys can't leave your kids with someone, but if you can leave your kids with someone while you're couponing, that's always a really good idea, so you can be 100% focused. So I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS couponing haul. I am so excited because I am going to be working with Melissa from Couponing for a Cause. So I am joining in on one of her events in October. So I'm gonna talk it over with her, and I'm gonna see if she wants me to like vlog it for her, because she mentioned she's getting like an award too. So I wanna make sure that I can really capture that. So I'm starting to collect some stuff for that. And if you guys don't know about Periods Happen, I am starting a group to donate feminine care. So I'm still collecting feminine care. You guys have been sending some stuff to my P.O. box. Our t-shirts just ended, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another round of t-shirts. So once I get the t-shirt in, then I'll go ahead and model it for you guys, and then I'll go ahead and start another campaign for those shirts. So thank you guys so much in advance for purchasing shirts or sending feminine care. I'm still gonna collect feminine care. I collect cosmetics for a prom event that happens every single prom season. So if you wanna get rid of some of your cosmetics, you can always forward it to my P.O. box. So yeah, this was a really fun CVS trip for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, step-by-step walkthrough of what I did with my transactions. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Monday, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.